Boom, 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 boom. Big up, big up, big up. Hey, I got a wicked video for you guys right now. For all my Photoshop lovers, even if you're not a Photoshop lover and you just want to learn how to do stuff, we got you covered. See what I'm saying? We got you covered to the fullest. Because what we're about to do is show you a quick little tutorial of Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to remove objects in a photo. And I'm also going to show you how to give that outline to text. And if you don't know what I mean, pay attention to this video because we're about to show you. Link in description because I am using Photoshop. I think I'm using Photoshop 2022, but you guys can get the free version because it's free. And I'm pretty sure it's free for like 30 days. Whatever. You can get a lot done with it. And if you find it useful, buy it. So here we go. We'll type in Photoshop. Start your free trial right there. Right there. So it's $29.99 a month in Canada. I'm not sure what it'll be in your country. But there's also a free trial. So just click the free trial, get your download on, okay? I'm using the older version because I've been using this for years, okay? So let's go. It's pretty much all the same anyway. So after you download it, you go to File, New, okay? Pick your folder, open your file that you want to edit. So let's just say I want to remove power levels. Just drag across it. After selecting the Band-Aid tool, spot healing brush. And as you can see, it does a mess, right? That's a mess. But hold on, just click it, just tap it, just tap it, just tap it. Patience, patience and virtue. Okay, you know what, let's make the size a little bigger. Let me get a little bigger, I wonder what will happen. All right, there you go. So boom, it's going. Okay, I brought it back. So yeah, it's kind of glitchy at times, guys. Yeah, it's kind of glitchy. There might be new programs that get rid of this easier, but if you have, this is not the only thing you use Photoshop for, okay? So there you go, I did that. Now let's just say I want to put some text in there. There's my text. You go to the T over here, just follow along what I'm doing. And hey, if you guys are watching this video, I suggest you follow along with me so then you'll learn. Because if you just watch a video and you don't follow along, what happens is you kind of waste your time. You should be following with me as I go so you can actually have hands-on experience, right? So let's just say I'm just going to use this and I'm going to change this to up here. You can change your text, your font. I'm going to use this one because it looks like Mega Manny. And I'm going to put Mega Guy. I don't care. Call me corny. So we have that over here. You go to check, let that be known. Then what you're going to do, just double click here because we're going to put an outline around this. Okay, like this has a little outline as you can see. This has an outline. I made this, by the way. So you're going to go like this. Double click it, right click on Mega Guy. Boom, over here, stroke. Okay, you're going to click this on. Over here, you can choose the size. Let me move this a little over so we can see it. So you can see the Mega Guy. There you go. Size. You see what happens when you raise the size? So I would probably keep this around a 2 personally. And you can also just type in 2 over here as well. That would have sped up this process. So let's just say you want a different color. You can change your color as well. So let's say we want to match a red to match his outfit. Bomb. We got the red going on. There you go. That's how you do it. Then you can mess around with here and give it inner shadow. Do all this extra stuff. I'm not playing with that, but you guys can play around with it. So basically, to get into here, you just double click that, or you double click on any image, even this one. Even my background image I could do, but I'm not going to. So you just double click it, choose stroke, make sure the check mark's on, click in the stroke, and then you'll see here on the right side, you can mess around with the sliders. There it is. So I just showed you guys how to do the outline for any text or any image inside Photoshop. And I also showed you guys how to erase objects in Photoshop. If you guys want to see a next tutorial, hit me up. I'm going to keep teaching you guys how to do this. All right? You done know. Peace.
If you're looking for me,